Okay, now the next and the last question number 16 for the first part of the second chapter, first part of the second chapter. Okay, a car is moving in a straight line with a speed of 18 kilometers per hour. It is stopped in 5 seconds by applying the brakes. Okay, so obviously we are talking about retardation here. So there are three things we need to find: the speed of the car in meters per second, the retardation, and the speed of the car after 2 seconds of applying the brake. So obviously we'll first draw the diagram. Okay, so we got the diagram. If we have a car here and the car is moving initially with 18 kilometers per hour, we don't know the acceleration. We have to find the acceleration, which is nothing but retardation here actually. If the car stopped at 5 seconds, so that means we can say that the final velocity at 5 seconds will be 0. Okay, and the third part is the speed of the car after 2 seconds of applying the brake. So we'll solve one by one. The first is u, which is equal to 18 kilometers per hour. We need to convert it into meters per second. So 18 into 5 by 18 meters per second, 18. So we can say that initial velocity is equals to 5 meters per second. That is our first answer. Second, retardation. Okay, so retardation is equals to what? We know that v is equals to u plus at. So a is equals to what? V minus u divided by t. What is v here? 0. What is u here? 5 divided by t. What is t here? 5. So it will be minus 5 divided by 5, which is equals to minus 1 meters per second. So we can say that the retardation applied on the car, because after applying the brakes, is 1 meters per second, or you can write like this: 1 meter per second inverse. Okay, this is the second one. And the third and the last part is the speed of the car after 2 seconds of applying the brakes. Now we know the retardation. Okay, if we take time is equals to 2 seconds, not 5 seconds, acceleration as minus 1 meters per second square, u as 5 meters per second. So what will be v now? This is what they are asking. So again the formula will remain same: v is equals to u plus at. What is u? 5. What is a? Minus 1. What is t? 2. 5 minus 1 and 2 is minus 2. This one will be minus 2. So 5 minus 2 will be equals to what? 3 meters per second. So we can say that the final velocity after 2 seconds, if we take time as 2 seconds, then my velocity will be 3 meters per second. This is the answer. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.